Good morning, happy Sunday, happy Father's Day. I just rolled out of bed, as you can see, and just made some coffee, but today is just going to kind of be like a little bit of, well, Sundays are my reset days, so we're going to be doing a few chores around the house, but it's also Father's Day, so I have something sweet for Sawyer, and no, I am not pregnant. I just honestly love like these little holidays, and I think it's sweet if you can kind of turn it into some type of like celebration or appreciation. So what I did yesterday at Target, I got a cute little card from the dogs. I saw this and I laughed so hard because our dogs always like pin Sawyer in and don't let him move. Got this card that says, "Hey, thanks so much for not adjusting your sleep position so I could always get a good night's rest." Happy Father's Day from the dogs. And then I also got this cute little like trophy looking mug situation. It was like in the dollar section at Target, and I thought it would just be fun and cute. I'm gonna quickly do this and then go say good morning to Sawyer, and we'll go start our day and maybe start off with little Father's Day morning walk on the beach. Oh, hi Hitch. Kind of looks like you. It's just a big version of you. Oh my gosh, it turned out so cute. I wrote a little letter from Oliver, a little letter from Hitch, and then like a little note from me. Oh, that's adorable. Are you sitting down? You have no idea.
What? Thank you, Dad. Okay. Oh, is it from the dogs or not? And this is about to be a big surprise.
I'm pregnant! No, I'm kidding.
Oh! I'm crying.
I know. I didn't mean to do that. I was just writing cute little notes. Yeah.
Thanks, Hitch. Come here, bud. Come here, my son.
You didn't even know, but you gave him something.
You made me cry, bud.
Come here, Ollie. I'll give him
Come
a
here,
kiss
man.
Wasn't that a cute card though?
Yeah, it was very cute.
I was looking and it said there was one that said from dogs, and I saw that, and then I pulled it out and sleeping position.
Oh yeah.
I was like, that's it.
Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, do you want to be picked up too?
Thank you for my Father's Day card, Oliver. And I'm glad I get to let you out when you need to go potty.
I am going to go get ready, and then we'll fill up our coffee mugs and head to the beach.
Yay.
Okay, I am back and ready to go on our morning walk, but before we leave, I wanted to share with you that I teamed up with Brewmate for this video to share their insulated can coolers for summer. So for those of you that don't know, Brewmate makes insulated can coolers and drinkware for all of your drinking needs. And they have so many cute, trendy colors and designs for you to choose from, so you can find one that matches your personality perfectly. And since summer is here and a lot of outdoor happy hours are happening, I have here the Hopsulator Slim and the Hopsulator Trio. Both keep your drinks ice cold or warm until the last drop. I have glitter pink, stainless steel, and glitter white. And I kept this one in the packaging so that way you could see. How cute is that? So the Slim Can Cooler is the first of its kind for 12-ounce canned beverages like High Moon, Truly, White Claw. I personally love Mystic Reef Lemonade. I actually have one right here to show you. So you just take the can, pop it in, and their push lock technology actually holds it in place. Nothing drives me more nuts than a warm, flat Truly on the beach. Not so refreshing. So that was the Slim. Now I have the Hopsulator Trio. I have the blush color, glitter white, and this new desert tan. So the Trio is the world's only 3-in-1 can cooler. So by this I mean you can fit all of your favorite 16-ounce craft cans, comes with an adapter for 12-ounce cans, and turns into a 16-ounce pint glass. So the Trio can also be turned into a tumbler or, like I mentioned, a pint glass, and I'll show you how you do that. You just remove this gasket, take out the adapter, and they come with these little plastic lids. And when being used as a tumbler, you can sip on whatever you would like. Beer, wine, tea, coffee, cocktails, water, juice, and obviously more. So I like to use my Brewmate as the tumbler for my coffees. And then in the afternoon, I'll just pop in like a seltzer and sip on that for something refreshing. And then I'll put in a hard seltzer. This is a 12-ounce can, so I'm using the adapter. And I'll pop this in And then I can go on our nightly beach walks, and my seltzer will stay cold our whole walk. So a few fun facts: Brewmate's triple layer construction means zero condensation annoying you while you drink, and it's made of insulated stainless steel, so it works 20 times better than foam koozies. Now, I've already mentioned how the Slim fixed my warm flat seltzer situation, but the Trio gets well used in my household for many things. Honestly, we love to use them for our iced coffees pretty much daily, being that the ice melts so fast here, and the condensation drives me up the walls. No more rings on my coffee tables, yay. I've also been a big fan of Brewmate for so long, and I'm very impressed with their variety. Everything from insulated can coolers for Slim cans and all cans, and then we have cocktail glasses, wine tumblers, flasks, and much more. So I'm gonna leave all the information about Brewmate down below and list all the colors that we have, and I highly recommend getting yourself a hopsulator for all of your summer activities. And now that I successfully have talked your ear off, I'm gonna fill up one of our Trios with coffee and head to the beach for our little Father's Day Sunday walk. Hey babe, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Do you want coffee?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll save the seltzer for later. Might be a little early for that one. I saved all the boxes that way I could show you guys. We've been using them now for a while, but held onto the boxes. Does anybody else do that? I feel like I saved boxes for so long. Anyways, all right, coffee time. Nothing better than coffee in the morning. It's like my favorite thing about mornings. I actually look forward to like making a pot of coffee and sipping on it, and yeah, it's like my favorite part of my morning routine. Okay, yay, these are so freaking cute. Shall we head to the beach? So this is our favorite little beach access to walk down, mainly because we get to see this little house right here that it's like our little dream beach house. If you ever make it to the water, like on the beach, that's gonna be the house. It's so cute. It has the cutest little layout. But anyways, we're at the beach now. Look at you back there, so cute. We are now home from the beach. I need my phone. I'm gonna make a to-do list for this Sunday. There's not much I need to do today, but you guys know this. I reset on Sundays, like clean the house, do certain things. So I had made a list of kind of what I wanted to do. First thing I need to do is call my dad for Father's Day. Call dad. That's very important. And then a few cleaning things. I think I'm gonna vacuum and mop today, and also vacuum the couch. I feel like those three things are much needed. I forgot to mop last week, so the floors are a little dirtier than I would like. And then the last thing I want to do today is work out in the yard. If you missed the video, we recently landscaped our front yard, and it looks so good. So much better. I'm so proud of it. But I may or may not have overbought on flowers. And by May, I mean I did. So everything is now grown in, and it's like getting overgrown, so I need to go out there and like prune. And also a few rose bushes that I ordered finally arrived, so we gotta figure out where we want those. So just do a little TLC out there. So I think we'll end the day with that. Crazy how every Sunday I reset and it's like spotless. And then over the week, which is natural, but it's just so impressive to me, like the little piles that start to gather. Happy Sunday. Let's get started. Calling my dad now. Ollie, you wanna come here? See if Dad's answering. Come here. Of course he didn't answer. Okay, he didn't answer, but I'm sure he'll call me back when I'm mopping and vacuuming. But anyways, let's go get cleaning. Okay, we're gonna start by washing the rugs. I haven't done this in a minute. And since we're mopping, we're gonna do it. So this rug is by Ruggable, so it's really easy just to like throw in the machine. Washes super nice, love it, really convenient for the kitchen. The other ones are just like cotton rugs, so they're really easy to wash as well. I have to have rugs that I can wash. Nothing drives me more nuts than dirty rugs. So we'll throw that in and then we'll get vacuuming. This outside. So the vacuuming is done, thank goodness. Now we are going to mop. I have here my Cedar spin mop, which I love. And then for my mop solution, I use Lysol multi-surface cleaner, as well as a little bit of distilled vinegar, which I gotta go grab outside. But let me rinse this bucket and we will make our solution. It's amazing how much better the floors look when it's mopped. I know that's pretty obvious, but there is something about the flooring that the previous owners picked that it shows every footstep, every like fingerprint. It's the weirdest thing, but I would definitely pick a different flooring if we were to ever redo the flooring or move somewhere else. It's not my particular favorite. I like the color, but it's very, very hard to keep spotless. There you go. There's my rant about my wood floors. All right, vacuuming the house and mopping is all done. I even cleaned underneath, like our dresser, moved it out. We had those sticky like felt pads underneath, but they're too big. And I hated that you could like see them when you just like walked in the room. So I had Sarah help me and like we replaced those. I moved everything, dusted underneath the dresser. Normally what I like to do is do like a deep clean day. And I do those about every 3 to 4 months. And that's when I move everything, vacuum, mop underneath that. But I looked underneath our dresser and I couldn't stand it anymore. So did that today. Now last thing I'm gonna do before I vacuum the couch is to vacuum the house again. Now this seems a little extreme, I understand, but I personally like to vacuum, then mop, then vacuum again. And the reason for that is when you mop, you're actually getting like the baseboards and loosening dust and underneath furniture, and it catches other things that the vacuum doesn't necessarily get right away. So as I look around, I see other little crumbs and like hair that came loose. It sounds gross, but it's true. So I'm just gonna hit it one more time with the vacuum and call it good. But I won't make you watch that. But I just wanted to share that little tip because it's like you're doing it, right? You're vacuuming, you're mopping, you might as well vacuum again and just get everything up for the final time. Does that make sense? I'm gonna do that now. And I'll catch you guys when I vacuum the couch. So I just switched out my coffee for water because I'm so freaking thirsty from all this cleaning. I've been running around with my head cut off. Literally been trying to just get this house back in order. I feel like when I start a project like baseboards or dusting or mopping, things like that, I just always keep doing more. Hydrating now, vacuuming in about 2 seconds. I haven't vacuumed my couch in like a month or so, and our house gets so dusty and I don't know why it drives me nuts. So I am gonna take everything off, vacuum it per usual, nothing too crazy. Let's jump to it. Okay. Okay, so everything is vacuumed. I definitely need to like reset this room and like clean underneath the couch. I'm just too tired today. So I did what I could with the vacuum, but I do need a mop under there and kind of clean the rug and whatnot. But today, since I'm focusing on the couch, I'm gonna wipe it down. I just put a drop of laundry detergent and wet a rag, so it's just like a soapy rag. And this material that we have, it's like a velvet, and it's really, really durable. So you can literally just take a wet cloth to it and clean it. So I see some marks on here from the dogs, and who knows what it is. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna wipe it down. Ew! Oh my gosh, my washcloth is so gross. This is why I will always have to have a couch that I can like wash or something, because 2 dogs and a boyfriend, forget it with kids. Okay, so the couch is now dry, so I'm gonna put all the blankets and pillows on. I also washed a bunch of the throw blankets that were on here just because I felt like if I was cleaning it, I might as well do it all. Yeah, this is definitely a big task. If I could take off all my cushions and wash them, I totally would, but the way my couch is done, it's kind of hard to do. So wiping it down is the best that I can do. Nothing makes me happier than a perfectly fluffed set couch. There's something about it. Like if I could have a living room, I guess I'd be like a formal living room where nobody sat and the couch could always look perfect. It would make me so happy to walk by a perfectly set couch. Or if I had a couch that the main cushions were pillows and it didn't look messy all the time. So eventually we'll be changing that. That's why it looks like we have so many pillows, but yeah. Let's try calling my dad since he didn't answer and wish him a happy Father's Day. Hi, happy Father's Day. Now's when you tell me. Probably a good time. Father's Day is the perfect day to break it to me. You just return it in the mail, return to sender. Okay, so this is our front yard. This is what we landscaped not too long ago, and everything is just growing in. So on my to-do list is to rake up by the lime tree. We recently replaced our lime tree and had taken up all the white rocks right there because we're gonna redo them because it's a whole thing. I didn't move the previous mulch and it just made a mess. So I'm going to rake that up and make that look better, as well as trim up some of these flowers and plant a few flowers into a planter. I am going to do like a part 2 to landscaping the front yard because there's a lot I need to do out here. So that'll be coming. I need to do that, but for now, let's get this cleaned up a little bit. So I finished by the lime tree and I just planted our 2 hibiscus. We have a red one and a white one. I just planted them in the same pot, and these are actually gonna go in the backyard. So I'm gonna carry those back there and then we'll trim the flowers. And I feel like my Sunday chores will be done. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do out here is trim back some of these flowers. I have to do a lot of work out here, but I feel like this is a good start to break it up a little bit. So let's trim some flowers up. I swear, these flowers just grow like weeds. I do this like once every 2 weeks. They grow so freaking fast here. But I think that's it out here. It is so hot, so I'll meet you inside in 1 second. Whew, next time I'm doing this in the morning. I am done for the day, and I think it's time for a seltzer. Yeah, my turn. So there you have it. That was our little Father's Day vlog, as well as cleaning the house and working in the yard. Just an average day over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. I share our life here in Hawaii, home decor tips, and just overall lifestyle. So I would love to have you. Also, don't forget to check out Brewmate. I will leave everything down in the description box for you. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.